If you have more devices than you have outlets for, you are going to love this SABRENT charger I was just gifted. There is a lot to love here, so let me get into it. Now to start off with, what I love is that it has 8 ports, 4 USB-C ports and 4 USB-A ports, and it has a total output of 252 watts. Now it's a nice little streamlined device, and you can see at the top that it's glowing. It actually has an LED screen that tracks the voltage output of each of these ports when you plug in devices, and these ports are 3.0 fast charge ports. Now it does have some specifications that you do want to pay attention to, and I will be showing how this all plugs in a moment, but when you get the little manual, hold on to this as it actually breaks down the power per port, and it specifically says that the 2 pairs of USB-C ports along the top have a maximum of 100 watt output per port, or 125 watts per pair of ports. And then the USB-A ports are lower. They have a maximum of 18 watts per port, or 36 watts per pair. So this really is focused on those USB-C ports if you want that fast charge. Now let me plug in some devices so you can see how this works. Now I'm going to start with a USB-A plug and just plug in an iPad here. It starts charging immediately, and I can see right here where it's plugged in and how much wattage it's using. It's currently using, it's fluctuating 0.5 watts. So because this is fully charged, it's not pulling any power. Now I'm going to plug in a portable power bank, which is not fully charged, and I'm going to plug that in with a USB-C. And right now it says it's at 60 watts of charging, and it's orange because it's charging, and the iPad is green because it's fully charged. One other piece to keep in mind is that you do want to pay attention to where you plug things in. Each side is separate, so try to balance what you plug into this. So I'm going to plug in one more item, and my microphone is also fully charged, so it's green and it's not using any wattage at all. And while I have it close up, I do want to show you 2 more details. If you press the button, you can actually see the voltage, current, temperature, and how much time these have been plugged in. So you can go through each port and get all of the details. So there's a lot more going on there. And then one last piece is it does actually have a Kensington lock on the bottom right here. So you can lock this down. Really, really nice all-around charger. So I'm loving this real-time LCD display. I like how much power it has. I like how it's this small brick that gives me everything I need, and that this is UL certified and is going to protect my devices. Really nice. Now on the back side, it has rubberized feet, so you can just put it right down. It's not going to slide around. Really nice. But if you want to, you can actually use this bracket and the included hardware to attach this to a wall, maybe the bottom of your desk, wherever you want. And this bracket's really nice as it actually does lock into place, so it's not going to go anywhere. And then if you need to take it apart, it just slides right off. This is really clean. I am definitely going to be using this moving forward. I always have a ton of devices I need charging, and this definitely checks all the boxes for me. If you are looking for a really nice charger that will not only give you real-time updates, fast charges, and protect your devices, SABRENT's got you covered.